A power distribution system is the network that delivers electricity from generating stations to individual consumers. It's the final leg in the journey of electricity, taking the high-voltage electricity from the transmission system and stepping it down to usable levels for homes and businesses. Here's a breakdown of how it works. Distribution substations. These substations receive electricity from the transmission system at high voltage, usually between 35 kV and 230 kV. They use transformers to step down the voltage to a medium voltage level, typically between 2.4 kV and 33 kV. Image of distribution substation. Primary distribution lines. These lines carry the medium voltage electricity from the substations to distribution transformers located near neighborhoods or individual buildings. Distribution transformers. These transformers further step down the voltage to a lower level, usually 240-120 volts for residential use or 480-277 volts for commercial use. This is the voltage that powers your lights, appliances, and other electrical devices. Service drops. These are the lines that carry electricity from the distribution transformers to individual buildings. They typically consist of overhead wires or underground cables. Meters. Meters measure the amount of electricity used by a customer. This information is used by the utility company to bill the customer for their electricity usage. There are two main types of distribution system configurations. Radial systems. These systems are arranged like a tree, with each customer having one source of supply. Radial systems are simpler to design and operate, but they are also more vulnerable to outages. If there is a power failure on a radial line, all of the customers on that line will lose power. Network systems. These systems have multiple sources of supply, which can provide redundancy and improve reliability. Network systems are more complex to design and operate, but they can provide a more reliable source of power. Thanks. Please check description for related books.